Hello everyone. Today it is all about biotechnology, जैव प्रौद्योगिकी। बायोटेक्नोलॉजी एक ऐसी फील्ड है जो हमारे सबसे ज़्यादा करीब है और जिंदगी को आसान बनाने में इसकी भूमिका बेहद अहम है। किसानों के लिए शुरू किया गया बायोटेक किसान अभियान इसका एक एग्जाम्पल है जिसे एग्रीकल्चर को मजबूती देने की कोशिश की है। स्टूडेंट्स, ऐसा सिर्फ मैं नहीं कहती, हमारे ऑनरेबल यूनियन मिनिस्टर फॉर साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन भी यही मानते और कहते हैं। डॉक्टर हर्षवर्धन ने ये भी कहा कि आगे इस फील्ड में काफी सारे रिसर्चर्स और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स की जरूरत है जो देश के लिए अपने नए विचारों को आगे लाएं और इस फील्ड को आगे बढ़ाएं। बायोटेक्नोलॉजी साइंस की एक ऐसी फील्ड जो हमारी लाइफ को कंटिन्यूअसली अफेक्ट करती है। जरा ध्यान दें कि बेहद कम लागत में रोटा वायरस वैक्सीन का डेवलपमेंट इसका एक और छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल है। और इसी तरह भारत में ऐसे और काफी सारे एग्जाम्पल्स हैं जो कहते हैं कि आने वाले सालों में इस फील्ड में कई सारे ऑप्शंस देखने को मिल सकते हैं। ओके, नाउ जनरल आउटलुक on major branches of biotechnology. So first, blue biotech, as we think blue for water, relates to the exploration and exploitation of aquaculture, coastal and marine biotechnology. So, blue biotechnology has prospect to revive the marine ecosystem. Green biotechnology. The color green in biotechnology represents agriculture and uses of microorganisms to prevent, reduce and treat environmental pollution. Red biotechnology, also known as medical biotechnology, relates to the proper process of utilizing organisms in genetics engineering and developing medicines such as antibiotics that enable human body fight diseases and improve health. White biotechnology, also referred to as industrial biotechnology, is all about using living cells and enzymes to synthesize products that can be degraded easily, creates lesser waste during production and consumes less energy. Grey biotech is about removing contaminants using microorganisms and plants to create balance in the environment. इसके अलावा brown biotechnology, commonly known as arid biotechnology or desert biotechnology. Violet biotechnology, also a purple biotech, unlike other biotechnologies, aims at maintaining and encouraging inventions instead of increasing. Dark biotechnology. So, as the name suggests, dark biotechnology involves the threat of bioterrorism, biowarfare, biocrimes and anti-crop warfare. Yellow biotech, also known as insect biotechnology, relates to better food production using active genes. Gold biotech, it is responsible for everything related to bioinformatics from software to hardware used in the data analysis of biological processes. So now students, moving on to courses in biotechnology. BSc, Bachelor of Science degree in biotechnology, on the other hand, focuses on the biological aspects of the biotechnology part. BTech, this degree in biotechnology encompasses both the biological sciences as well as engineering aspects of biotechnology. Candidates aspiring to pursue the courses are required to meet the minimum eligibility criteria listed here. स्टूडेंट्स, इसमें 12वीं में दोनों ही कोर्सेज में आपके 50% होना जरूरी है। साथ ही साथ 12वीं में फिजिक्स, बायोलॉजी, केमिस्ट्री और मैथ्स विद मिनिमम कंबाइंड स्कोर ऑफ 60% इन ऑल भी कंपलसरी है। आफ्टर ग्रेजुएशन आप पीजी के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो। इसमें आपके पास MSc और MTech का ऑप्शन रहता है। MSc Biotechnology is a field of biotechnology that deal with the usage of living organism and bioprocesses in technology, whereas MTech Biotechnology is also a 2-year PG course. It is designed to offer diverse and extensive aspects of biotechnology and life sciences and has a strong emphasis on research. तो अब अगर आपको MSc करना है तो आपके पास बायोटेक, माइक्रोबायोलॉजी, बॉटनी, बायोकेमिस्ट्री के साथ ग्रेजुएशन में लगभग 55% होना ज़रूरी है। वहीं अगर आप MTech करना चाहते हो तो आपके पास BSc, BS, BTech विद बायोलॉजी, बायोटेक, बॉटनी, लाइफ साइंसेज, फिजियोलॉजी जैसे विषयों के साथ 55% कंपलसरी है। इस तरह आप ग्रेजुएशन के बाद PG के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। Students, one more thing, if you are interested in dual degree courses, so IIT Kharagpur or IIT Bombay offer joint MSc PhD course. Other than some private or government colleges also offers dual or integrated course in the field. तो अभी हमने बात की कि क्या क्या अवेलेबिलिटी है बायोटेक्नोलॉजी में, और अब बताते हैं कि कैसे इन कोर्सेज को हम ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं। Students, for admission to the course, eligible candidates need to qualify the entrance examination conducted at any institutes, state and national levels. Some of the major entrance tests conducted in India for admission to the courses which we discussed previously are: First entrance examination for graduation, joint entrance exam mains, or advance for getting admission in IITs or some other national colleges. DTU, Delhi Technical University, Vellore Institute, SRM joint entrance exam, ICAR AIEEA, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, All India Entrance Examination. And for PG यानी पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन एंट्रेंस के लिए आपके पास एग्जाम्स होते हैं IIT JAM, GATE, DTU, VIT EEE, SRM JEEE, JNU Combined Entrance Exam for Biotechnology. Students, biotechnology is a combination science of biology and technology and used to make products useful to mankind. The scope of biotechnology has expanded to diverse science like immunology, virology and other subjects like health, agriculture, cell biology, plant physiology, etc. For job seekers, the biotech industry is a major economic driver, generating a heavy pool of GDP. With the need for rapid innovation, this industry has scopes for jobs to thrive, and your skills can help you bag up flourishing positions. When we are talking about amazing discoveries, new applications and innovations, products are launched in the market every day. That's why a biotechnologist can work on vast disciplines and their demand is very high in various sectors such as healthcare, medicines, agriculture, animal husbandry, etc. After learning biotechnology, one can find jobs in various quarters. Biotechnology jobs in India can be found in different fields, while government institutes and organizations such as Department of Biotechnology, Bhabha Atomic Research Center, BARC, CCRAS, Ayush, etc., several agriculture and horticulture institutes also may offer job opportunities to biotechnology professionals. One can expect the best salary in private sector too. Drug companies in biotechnology like Bharat Biotech, Hindustan Lever, Wockhardt offer biotechnology professionals with handsome pay packages. Students, the Bureau of Labor Statistics, BLS, projects a 7% growth rate for jobs in this sector between 2018 and 2028, which is faster than the projected growth rate of 5% for all other professions. So here we end this. Overall, you have plenty of options. Just keep in mind that in order to get the best, you need to be best. So study well, work hard and work on your skills as well as personality. Surely you will make a good career in biotechnology. Till then, good luck. Bye-bye.